Say Merry Christmas.
Hi.
Say Merry Christmas.
Say it out louder.
Hi.
Say hi,
Hey.
Mimi.
Did you get one of your presents today?
Yeah, since I got to get mine.
What is it?
Horsey.
A
Do
horsey.
you like the horsey?
Yeah.
Let me see it. Ooh, you like the horsey?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How about why?
Do you know it's a purse?
Yep. Look.
Yeah.
We can put your lipstick in there and all that kind of stuff.
Yeah. Do you love it?
You love it, Jacqueline?
Yep.
Giddy up. Say giddy up, horsey.
Yep. Horsey.
Yay. Say thank you, Mimi.
Thank you, Amy.
I really miss you.
I miss you.
Oh.
Okay, we gotta go see Sky. Hi. Hi, dear. Look at that dirty face. Yeah, we just ate dinner, huh? Yeah. We just ate dinner. I know. You want to get out, huh? I know you want to get out.
Mommy.
You want to get out?
That's a wrap.
All right. Say bye-bye.
The clothes?
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I can check out.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Look at Mommy. Say Merry Christmas.